Want to sell event tickets with a smooth and secure checkout experience? With Eventin and SureCart, you can connect your store and manage all event bookings with ease. Let's walk through how to set it up, step by step. To get started, you'll need to have an active SureCart account. Make sure your store settings, especially the store name, are properly configured. You'll need this later in the setup process. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard and head over to the Plugins section. Ensure that both Eventin and Eventin Pro are installed and activated. In our latest update, the Eventin SureCart add-on is installed automatically. And finally, to make the integration work, you must install and activate the official SureCart plugin. That's all for the basic requirements. Now let's move on to the setup. Go to the Extensions page inside Eventin and enable the SureCart add-on. Once enabled, you'll need to connect your WordPress site with SureCart. Now navigate to the SureCart tab and head to the Get Started dashboard. You'll see a setup wizard. You can either connect an existing SureCart store or create a new one. Follow the steps and your store will be created and linked. Next, head to the SureCart settings. Here, you'll need to enter the same details you used when creating your SureCart store. Just copy the information from your SureCart dashboard and paste it here. Then, go to the API section in SureCart and copy the secret token. Now return to your WordPress dashboard, open the Connection tab under SureCart Settings, paste the token, and save. Next, go to Eventin Settings, then the Payment Methods tab. You'll see SureCart listed. Enable it and paste the API token again to authorize it. You'll also see a webhook URL. Copy this. Go back to your SureCart dashboard and navigate to the webhooks section. Click on Add New Webhook Endpoint. Paste the URL you just copied. Select all the options and hit Save. Now test the webhook. If everything is correct, you'll get a successful connection message. On the SureCart's Payment Processes page, you can see the test payment is enabled and other payments are turned off. Now, let's see what a user purchases an event ticket. The checkout page will now come directly from SureCart. Follow the steps to complete the payment. Now, head over to the Eventin attendee list page. And here you can see the attendee is successfully registered. Head back to the Eventin booking page. You'll see the booking marked as complete. You can also find the order details inside your SureCart Orders section and configure additional settings from there. And that's how you can integrate Eventin with SureCart to manage your event booking details with ease. We hope you found this integration guide helpful. Make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.